Hello and welcome to AudioCodes Training Academy. This video tutorial demonstrates how to save a configuration file for AudioCodes Mediant Family Session Border Controllers, SBCs. AudioCodes' best practice for backing up a device's configuration is to do so whenever a change has been made and stored to the device's flash memory. The simplest method for backing up a Mediant device is to use the web interface. Log into the device's web interface using your credentials. There are two ways to access the page where the configuration file can be saved. For the first way, navigate to the top right of the web page. This area contains the Device Actions drop-down menu with commonly used maintenance tools. Click on it and select Configuration File to access the configuration file page. The second way is to navigate to Setup. Then select Administration. Then select Maintenance from the navigation bar and Configuration File in the navigation tree. To ensure any changes made to the AudioCodes device are stored on the local flash memory, click the Save button at the top of the page. This updates the configuration file stored in flash memory. Then click the Download NI file button. This will open a pop-up window asking if you want to save the configuration file to your computer. The pop-up window's appearance may vary depending on your web browser. Click Yes. The downloaded file is a backup of the device's configuration. This text-based file contains all the changes made to the device and can be found in your computer's Downloads folder. By default, the INI file name includes the device's serial number. This helps ensure the correct INI file is used when recovering a device. You can view the saved NI file using any text editor, such as Notepad, or the AudioCodes provided INI Viewer and Editor tool. That's it. Thank you for watching.